stinker. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be working on the Toyota. This is a job that I actually recently did, but Amazon did not come in clutch for me on this. So it was a day when Amazon Prime said that this gasket would deliver. Flange gasket, seal, whatever it is. Anyway, they said it would deliver, so I took the car apart. And Amazon came and went. No seal. So I had one. I don't even know what it was for. I had one in the back with all my mixture of gaskets and crap I've got. Found one that was a little loose and apparently a little short. And anyway, I put that on there. While it's not like leaking exhaust nearly as bad as it was, we got metal to metal contact because it's a little bit shorter and it squeaks when I get in and out of it. Or even walk up and touch it. Watch it not do it now though. There it is. That's what I'm experiencing. Because of this stupid daylight savings time, I'm about ready to run out of light outside. So I'm going to pull my Mustang out. That Mustang is also known as Frankie if you're new to the channel. But we're going to pull that thing out, bring the Toyota in here. Because I think I got about a half hour, 45 minutes of daylight left. And I also would like to change the oil on it after all this is said and done. So, let me get us all set up. And we'll get working on this thing. All right, this is all the stuff we're using. I'm going to use this impact couple work lights. I'm going to use that for the first time today. That is actually an exhaust hanger removal tool, coupled with a little coil. They ought to slide right off, and then some impact sockets. I got this just in case. This is the hardware kit if you are doing this as well. Okay, now let's just... I probably should have put this at the beginning of the video, but the one that we're after, we're going to be fixing this exhaust flange gasket today. It's a little donut piece, and yeah, let's get after it. Okay, here we are underneath. That little toot. That little toot. 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 All right, let's check out this new tool. Wow. That was pretty cool. Take and spin that out of the way. Sweet. That's funny. All right, you should be able to see this thing move. So anyway, that's our noise that is driving me insane. So we got to remove both of those bolts. And there's also the spring on it. That's kind of what these things flex on instead of having a flex joint. So that gasket being the right one is it's pretty necessary. But let's go ahead. I don't remember what size those are. Knowing Toyota, they're probably 14s. Pretty sure that's the right size. Indeed. So I'm only using this so you guys can see what I'm doing better. Hopefully it does okay. Okay, hopefully it comes out. That's fine. So that's what it is right there, guys. The reason it's so necessary for that gasket to be the right thickness, because this actually goes up and seats on the bottom of that flange. So you really don't have, I can't just tighten this up is basically what I'm saying and have the squeak go away. I think that now that we're in this position here today, I'm going to put the new flange hardware on here that I've got. Right here, I had a little bit of a camera issue. When I removed the other bolt on this flange, that footage is gone now. I apologize, but it's exactly the same as the other side. The guy's elbow must have bumped into it or something. Sorry. So that's the one I stuck in there, and it doesn't look like it did a dang thing. Let's actually go out and compare the two. I'm kind of curious. All right, so there's the one that I pulled out. There's one going back in. So, oh yeah, that's quite a bit taller. You can see it's a little bit bigger on the inside. Let's go ahead and do these. We're going to compare these just to make sure I got the right ones. Same. So we'll fly under there with these bad boys, and I'll hang on to these for now. I want to see how much better this. Are you freaking serious? Okay, I finally got the thing in there. I had to get my round file out, go around it about 1,000,000 times, and it's on. I would not recommend buying this particular flange gasket for this application. I did not get out my calipers and measure it like I should have. Anyway, I thought maybe I could put these bolts on it and suck it up in there, but that was going to be a no-go. You know what? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and slide these exhaust hangers back on. See if that'll help me get these aligned. Oh, I'll just slide them by hand now. Alright, I think that ought to help me get everything lined up better up here. Okay, back over to here now. Now let's see about getting these in there. Okay, get that one started. Okay. Impact time. And we're going to be going in this time. Oops. All right, let's see if it makes noise now. Nope. Sweet. Oh, that makes me so happy. You guys don't even know how much that makes me happy. Hopefully all that stuff kind of made sense. If I left anything out, any questions, get down below and ask. But this here, I had to file all this down with my little, where is it at? With my little round file here. I mean, it did the job, but just not something that I wanted to do. All right, back home, took it for a spin. It would be squeaking right now. It's in drive, and I have the defrost on, so the compressor is running right now. No squeaks, we're fixed. I'm happy. Hey guys, I appreciate you tuning in to another episode of 89 Garage. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me if there's anything else that you'd like to know about these cars, and I'll do my best. They're pretty easy to work on. Really like this car a lot. Never thought I'd say that. If you know me very well, you know that takes a lot for me to say. Peace out.